Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Jetta after a battery change. First, you'll want to reset your power windows. Close each window completely, then hold the switch in the up position for about 3 seconds. Next, address the steering. Start your engine, then turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and finally center it. This helps the car recalibrate its steering angle sensor. Now, let's get your entertainment system back online. You'll likely need to enter a 4-digit radio security code. This code is usually found in your owner's manual or can be obtained from a VW dealership with your vehicle's VIN. Once the radio is working, don't forget to set the correct time and date on your car's clock. This ensures all time-sensitive features function properly. After a battery change, your electronic stability program, or ESP, light might be on. To reset this, simply drive your Jetta for a short distance, perhaps a few hundred feet. The light should extinguish on its own. If your check engine light is on, a brief drive can sometimes clear it as the car relearns its parameters. If it persists, further diagnosis might be needed. Finally, perform a thorough check of your Jetta. Make sure all dashboard warning lights are off, especially the battery and engine lights. Test all electrical components, including headlights, interior lights, and wipers, to ensure they are working as expected. Listen for a smooth engine idle and confirm normal throttle response during a short test drive. Your Jetta should now be fully reset and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.